Hello, this is your online tutor Shaunak Vyas. Today we are going to learn difference between money market and capital market. Let's take an example to understand. For example, there is a corporate body that needs finance. Now that financial requirement is one for short period of time, that is period up to 1 year. Now, there is a market in India that provides finance to such people for short term, and such a market is called money market. Now, the money market provides finance for the day to day requirement, and that is called working capital requirement. When money market provides finance to such corporate body, it carries less risk as the time period is limited, that is period up to 1 year. On other hand, if this corporate body needs finance for the period more than 1 year, the market is called capital market, and this capital market is providing finance for the fixed capital requirement, that is to purchase land, building, plant, machinery, that is fixed assets of the company. It carries more risk as the period is certainly long, that is period more than a year. Let's see few more points of difference between them. The concept of money market and capital market. A market where short-term funds are lent and borrowed, such a market is money market, whereas a market where long-term funds are lent and borrowed, such a market is capital market. Very simple to understand. What is the time period of the instruments dealt? The instruments have maturity period up to 1 year or even less than that in case of money market, and the maturity period of instruments being dealt in capital market is for more than a year. What is the risk factor in each of them? In case of money market, the risk is low or less, and in case of capital market, risk is certainly high. For what reason finance is provided? Money market provides finance for working capital requirement, and capital market provide finance for fixed capital requirement, that we have already seen. What are the instruments dealt in money market and capital market? In money market, instruments such as commercial bill, commercial paper, etc. are dealt, and in case of capital market, securities called shares, debenture, etc. are dealt. What are the institutions that carry on their activities in money market and capital market? The main institutions that deal in money market are commercial bank and central bank of our country, that is Reserve Bank of India, and in case of capital market, it is commercial bank and stock exchange. I hope the concept is clear to all of you. If you need a screenshot, kindly take it and save the link in your personal WhatsApp so that you can refer it as and when you need. Thanks everyone. Bye. All the best.